Hey YouTube, what's going on? Chris here. I want to bring you all an update of something I was doing some studying on today, and I wanted to share it with you. And first of all, I wanted to mention that from the 23rd till about the 30th, I'm going to be gone. I'm going to be in Florida visiting my grandma. And what I want to do is do a little series. So I'm going to pre-record videos during the time that I'm gone because I don't know how much charting I'm going to get to do while I'm out there. I don't know my grandma's internet situation or anything like that. But what I'm going to do is go over what I've been studying in here. And this book is called 7 Chart Patterns That Consistently Make Money, and it's by Ed Downs. And what we're going to do while I'm gone, guys, we're going to go through each chapter and we're going to talk about these 7 different patterns that consistently make money and how to use them for your trading. So first of all, today I'm not going to get into any of all that. What I wanted to do is just tell you the 7 that we're going to be going over. Then I'm going to start recording the videos so that when I'm gone, they'll be able to come out and you guys can do some studying off them. I think it's really important here. But basically the book is called 7 Chart Patterns That Consistently Make Money. And the 7 chart patterns that we'll be going over, number 1 is support and resistance, and how important support and resistance is when you have those breakdowns through support or those breakthroughs through resistance, and how important those can be for your trading. The next one's going to be trend line breaks and reversals. We've talked a lot about trend lines and how important they can be. I'm going to show you some tips and tricks on those. The third one's going to be the saucer formation or rounded bottom formation, and how to look for those when the big dogs are accumulating. It's something that you really want to pay a lot of attention to. I really like rounded bottom formations. The next one will be Fibonacci retracements, and we're going to spend a lot of time on that, talking about the 0.236 and the 0.382 and the 0.5 and the 0.618, and where you can look for these retracements depending on how bullish the market is or how bearish the market is. The next one's going to be gaps. So this is more so in the stock market when you have those closes and you can have those big gaps for opening or big gaps to the downside. We're going to talk about those. I really like playing those in the stock market. Next one is going to be chart pattern 6, and that's going to be volume climax and volume trend. So we're going to talk all about volume and how important it is while you're making these moves. Like when you're in an uptrend, you want that heavy volume to continue with that move to the upside. If the volume does not continue on a strong move to the upside and it's actually decreasing, that could be a sign that you may start dropping down in quite a while. And then the next one is going to be consolidation. So we're going to talk about flags, we're going to talk about triangles, all that different type of stuff. And we may even get into, guys, chapter 10 is predicting market directions, about watching the signals. And then chapter 11 is trading the moves while minimizing risk. And that's the golden exit rule, setting stops to minimize risk, maximizing profit on every trade, put the odds in your favor, and then the closing thoughts. So there's just so much in this little book here. And guys, I got this book. There's about 78 pages here. I got it for $4 on Thrift Books, and I love Thrift Books. It's basically, guys, what you can do with these books is they're almost brand new. A lot of people will buy books and then they'll, scan through them one time and say, I'm done with them. But for me, I like to go back through books and really study. First, I'll read them, and then I'll go back through and highlight while I'm reading it again. And then after that, I'll take notes on it. So you're basically getting that book 3 times through your head before I'll move on to the next one. Then a lot of times I'll still even go back and start just looking and scanning through different things, because you can never learn too much in this space, guys. I could study trend line breaks for a year and we wouldn't even touch the bottom of trend lines and how powerful they can be. But these are the 7 chart patterns that we're going to be going over while I'm gone. And that's going to be from like January 23rd to the 30th or 31st, right in that range. And guys, I'm going to try to do updates from my phone, do some charting on that, because I do have TradingView on my phone. I just don't know how successful we're going to be with that. Or maybe I can go down there and we have great internet and there's no problem. But I'm basically going down. My grandma, she's 86 now and she suffers from multiple sclerosis, and I just don't know if this is going to be the last time that I get to see her or not. So my family's heading down there. We're going to spend some time with her, and I'm just really going to try to enjoy that time. But I wanted to put this out there to really look out for these 7 chart patterns coming towards the end of the month. It's going to be something I'm excited to start with you guys. We'll just go through, support and resistance, work our way through, try to do like a 5 or 10 minute video on it, nothing too long, so that we can continue to learn this stuff together, guys. But if you get some from this, like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. I got to hit my next client here, guys. So I appreciate all the love and support, and I'll talk to you later. God bless.